Hey, folks! The time for progressive trading is now, for your smart trading. Right now I'm going to work, and I'm going to be helped by a robot assistant that scans the market in real time and speeds up my work, helps me see situations more objectively. You can pick it up for free right now, the link is in the description. After a month you can only pick it up for a fee, hurry up. This channel regularly releases useful content. Friends, click on subscribe to channel and on the bell. Put likes and write comments, and I will keep trying for you and share my experience and useful information. So, hire. I got a signal from the bot. This is the currency pair Canadian dollar, yen OTC, timeframe 5 minutes. Data update periodicity in the robot is 1 minute. Yes, this neural network can work not only with basic currency pairs, but also with over-the-counter trading. I see areas of rising lows. I think the price will break the resistance zone as it did recently. I think buyers will utilize their potential and find a new opportunity to push off the ground and take off. Guys, I sped up the price movement for ease of viewing. By the way, along with the free bot at the link in the description, super bonuses are available to you. Promo code for plus 100% to deposit. That is, for example, making a deposit of $50 you on top of another $50 bonus. Or, for example, if you deposit $300 then on deposit you will have $600. Promo code works on the first deposit. And you will also have access to an exclusive chat with predictions. Trading isn't just about charts and candles. It's about understanding the bigger game, the invisible forces shaping market behavior. And in 2025, that game is more geopolitical than ever. If you're not tuned into global events, you're not trading, you're guessing. But before we dive into wars, sanctions, elections, and digital currency showdowns, let's lay down the foundational rule of this business. Because no trend matters if you can't manage risk. Money management. The calm before the storm. Let's be clear. If you're risking 20% of your account per trade because you feel lucky, you're not a trader. You're a gambler with a brokerage account. The 1 to 2% rule isn't just for cautious people, it's for profitable people. Here's what it looks like. With $100, you risk $1 per trade. Win? You make 80 cents. With $1,000, you trade $10. Profit per trade? $8. Scale to $10,000, and $100 positions give you $80 per win. All with the same strategy. It's not about trading harder, it's about scaling smarter. The larger your deposit, the more you earn on each correct forecast, without increasing your risk percentage. That's leverage with control. And remember, trading is risky. You can lose money. Just like a business owner can lose inventory, or an investor can back a failing startup. You need systems, reviews, and accountability, not hope. The market doesn't sleep, and neither does global tension. In 2025, we're watching a new kind of warfare, not just with missiles but with money. Sanctions, supply chains, trade alliances, central bank maneuvering. It's all a game of currency leverage. Alright, folks. The bulls just managed to get their act together and it made me a profit. The bot helped me to understand the situation and not to make a mistake. Now I want to make another trade to maximize my profit. MaxBot will give me another recommendation. He navigates market situations very quickly and issues informed forecasts. In this situation, the forecast is higher. Friends, take part in our big contest with a prize of $1,000 for one random comment. The conditions are simple. Watch this video in its entirety, give it a like, subscribe to the channel and write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I will choose 2 winners using randomizer and publish the results in my Telegram channel, where our team also shares knowledge about trading and helps traders to learn. The link is in the description, subscribe. The contest is held every week. Are investors betting on stability? Or bracing for chaos? As a trader, you watch these events not with panic, but with opportunity. In volatile periods, USD, JPY often becomes a safe haven magnet. If political uncertainty rises, USD can surge or collapse on policy expectations alone. Like a Netflix thriller, it's unpredictable, fast-paced, and driven by narrative. You just need to know which character is holding the mic that week. The Chinese yuan is more than a currency, it's a statement. With Beijing pushing for global recognition of the digital yuan, and tensions in the Taiwan Strait simmering, any move on this chessboard can shift major pairs. What should you watch? AUD, USD and NZD. USD often react first. Their economies are heavily tied to Chinese trade flows. USD, CNH will be a battlefield for tech, trade, and political ideology. Think of it like Avengers Endgame, where every hero is lined up and one snap changes everything. As Europe builds its industrial strategy, your pairs are living on borrowed confidence. Expect rapid moves in EUR, USD, EUR, GBP, and EUR, CHF, especially when inflation data or ECB commentary hits the wire. Just like in Inception, you're not just trading a pair, you're trading layers of global decisions, energy flows, war outcomes, ECB policies, and US dollar dominance. Here's what the smart trader in 2025 is doing. Follow sentiment and narrative flow. Use tools that scan global headlines and central bank chatter. Twitter, economic calendars, and news AI models are your new radar. Study candle behavior during news releases. Don't just wait for the event. Observe how price reacts, then backtest similar events. Journal everything. After each major geopolitical moment, log what moved, why, and how it aligns with your setup. Smart traders in 2025 don't just use one screen. They use augmented setups. One screen for charts, one screen for sentiment, one for headlines, one for AI-generated levels and scenarios. In the meantime, I finished the job. MaxBot helped me and this teamwork earned us a combined $2,107. Get the bot for free, subscribe to the channel and click the bell. More to come.